Things to remember planning a wedding. So you're planning a wedding? Congratulations, you are getting ready to manage one of the most significant days in you and your fiancé's life. Planning a wedding can be overwhelming. There are so many arrangements to make and so many details to decide. It can be hard to figure out when to do what. For many couples, the planning can get so overwhelming it can lead to a little anxiety. Watch the full video for what you need to remember about planning your wedding. 1. Start wedding planning early. You might have next year in your mind as the ideal wedding date, but don't think that means you have to wait until you start planning. The earlier you get onto it, the easier and less stressful it will be as your day approaches. Having a clear plan before you start will help you keep on top of everything so that you don't forget something important. 2. Write your rough guest list. You can't determine a wedding budget or wedding venue until you know how many people you'd like at your wedding and how much money you're prepared to spend per head. Sadly, you can't invite everyone to celebrate with you, so think about who you couldn't get through the day without. It's often a good idea to get your parents to help with the writing of the guest list, as they'll be able to advise on distant relatives. However, you can use live stream viewing capabilities to your advantage. The live stream can allow you to share your beautiful moments with everyone without worrying about guest number limitations. Professional live stream services such as MediaDen.live capture on high-end cameras and provide the best camera angle and best audio in live, so virtual guests always see and hear the best parts. 3. Choose your venue and ceremony decor. Now that your church or registrar is booked, it's time to get that wedding venue booking confirmed. Pay your venue deposit and begin getting excited for the big day. Choosing your wedding venue is probably the most important decision of your entire wedding planning process, and it usually is also the biggest cost. It determines everything from what your photographs will look like to which theme will work best. Wedding venues often get booked up well over a year in advance, so although you shouldn't make any rash decisions, you've got to act quickly. 4. Set a date. The process of how to pick a wedding date is different for each couple, but a good place to start is to consider how much time you'll need to devote to wedding planning. Giving yourself at least a year to plan your wedding can be helpful for most couples. If you have some flexibility with your wedding date, we recommend choosing a season first. Consider the climate of your wedding location. If you're set on getting married in an outdoor setting, then you'll want to choose a season when clear skies and mild weather are most likely. Weather not only affects your wedding style and location, but it can also help set a mood. 5. Determine your budget. Starting your married life off with huge amounts of debt adds unnecessary strain, so you want to be clear about how much you can save for the wedding, who might help out financially, and whether there's anything else, like a house or future family, that you need to be saving for too. Be realistic with yourselves and set up a shared spreadsheet that you can update every time something gets booked. 6. Book a live streaming service. By booking a live streaming service, your guest list is unlimited. Professional live stream services such as MediaDen.live provide the real-time live streaming of your wedding event. Professional streaming services like MediaDen.live make it possible for friends and family that are unable to attend in person to be present virtually. Professional live stream services such as MediaDen.live offers multiple camera angles and on-site stream director. Multiple camera angles ensure every special moment is captured. Multi-camera live stream includes an on-site stream director who mixes and matches the best camera angle and best audio in live, so virtual guests always see and hear the best parts. It is safe to say that professional live stream services like MediaDen.live are the best for a streamlined broadcasting experience. Professional live streaming services like MediaDen.live capture on high-end cameras to guarantee the customer the best quality. Best of all, in using a professional live streaming service, you don't have to worry about the technical know-how, because the service will do that for you. 7. Shop for wedding attire. Think about the style of wedding dress you might want to wear on your big day. Look inside your wardrobe first and see what style you're drawn to. If you have a theme or particular colors you have selected for your wedding, remember to keep those in mind. Also consider the weather, so that you will be comfortable on your special day. For brides, finding the right dress is the most exciting part of wedding planning. Many brides dream about their bridal gown for years and years, even before they find the right partner and get engaged. For the groom, suits also need to be selected and tailored for appropriate fitting. Also, you may want to coordinate with the theme and colors of the wedding. You will want to keep in mind about shoes and accessories that best suit the occasion and your style. 8. Make a meal plan. One of the biggest talking points at any wedding is the food. From appetizers and main entree to dessert options, all need to be arranged. The beverage selections are also important to narrow down. Avoid skimping in this area. A well-fed guest makes a happy guest. 9. Book a DJ or wedding band. Other suppliers who should be booked early include your DJ or wedding band, plus any musicians you'd like playing on the day. They'll be the life and soul of your party, and since they can only attend one wedding per day, it's a good idea to book your favorite pronto. Regardless of if you are having a live band, DJ, or manning the turntables yourself, you will need to outline all of the key songs that absolutely must be played during the nuptial festivities. Just as important, don't forget to also create a list of the type of songs you definitely don't want to hear. 10. Create a schedule of events. Creating a comprehensive wedding day schedule ensures everyone is on the same page about timing and location and helps to make sure the day's events run smoothly. Include things like hair and makeup appointments, when vendors will arrive, the timing for transportation to arrive at the ceremony location, the timing for your grand entrance, as the newlyweds, speeches, and the first dance, when the cake will be cut, etc. There's no doubt about it, planning a wedding is a big job. There's a lot to do and a lot to remember, particularly as the big day gets ever closer. Quite often, it's the little things that can catch you off guard when you least expect it. So, to help you plan like a professional and enjoy every aspect of wedding planning, follow these things to bring your wedding to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable videos.